We are going to need a bucket, mwiko to stir, 5 liters of water, and these ingredients. When you buy in the chemical shop, they label for you. I don't know the name of the chemicals, so they label for you how you should put them in sequence. So this should go number 1, then this number 2, and this number 3. So in here, we have the color and the fragrance, the smell. I'll put this as the last ones. We have color blue, B for blue. Color and fragrance will go the last. So let's start by pouring number 1 into the bucket. This is how number 1 looks. You can use your gloves or just your hands, but be careful not to touch it. So now we have number 1 there. We are going to put number 2 and mix. It's gel-like. The chemical shop sells you in exact quantity. If you want 5 liters, they would sell you chemicals that would make 5 liters. So I don't know the exact quantities, but the chemical shop will sell you the exact what you need. So you're going to mix this first. When that is mixed, you're going to add number 3. I'm told you can put in here to rinse this. If not, you can just put it directly. Okay. I think it's best to just pour in as it is. I think we'll rinse it with the water when we pour in later on. So let's mix number 3 with the mixture of number 1 and 2. Okay, now that is well mixed, we are going to add this chemical like. It looks like salt. When that is mixed, you're going to add water in small bits. When that is dissolved, you can add more water. As you can see, there are no lumps. It's just the liquid. It's just the liquid. If you bought chemicals for 5 liters, make sure the water is exactly 5 liters, not more or less, to ensure that the soap is not too thick or too watery. You just need it in the right texture. So you continue stirring like that. You can see the soap is coming in. Add more water, just bit by bit. And with that is our last portion of 5 liters water. So you start to mix everything. This process is so simple, by the way. Even the particles, the chemicals are easy to dissolve. It didn't take me a long while, just a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, and all is well. So as you can see, our soap is well mixed. There are no particles, there are no lumps. Everything is dissolved into the water. I put this upside down. I think we can add it now. Okay, let's mix it. Now that everything is well dissolved, we are going to add the color. We have color blue, then the fragrance. It's usually in powder, but mine I've had it for a while, and I think it got some water. So you mix the color and the soap liquid. Mix until the color mixes with the soap well. Here's the consistency. The last step is to add the fragrance. I don't know which is this, but it smells good. So mix it as well. And that's it. So you're going to leave it for 24 hours and it will be ready to use.